Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to unzip and zip files, otherwise known as decompress and compress files. So now all you want to do is for the purpose of this video, I've already got a file here, but normally you would go and press right click, new, and then compressed zip folder. Now I've already got one right here and it just says video for the purpose of the video. So now what you would need is the file manager 7-zip, and I have the link for that in the description below. Now all you need to do is double click on your compressed zip folder and then it will open the zip file. Now if you want to compress a file, now for example let's go ahead and compress my resume here, you just want to drag it in, drag it right into the window, copy files to archive and press yes, and there it is. You've compressed a file. So the compression ratio is actually not that much for any compressed file, but at least you can open archive files like that you get off the internet. Like if you get a download and it's in a zip file, now you know. So anyways, thank you for tuning into the video. That's pretty much all there is to it. Now if you want to extract these files, press extract obviously, and then you would choose your file path. But that's it. That's how you do it. So thank you guys for tuning in. I had this video as a recommendation from JDoggy4207, and that is now fulfilled. So I'll see you in the next one.